this tool is broke, so I'm gonna replace it. This one, a new wheel. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's simple. You just need to go to manual here. Okay. The probe over here. Go to pallet index. You gotta handle insert handle mode. It works. So if it doesn't work, you put that one off. On. Let's turn it off. Now just reset it. Reset it. Reset. Done. Now it should work. Pallet index. And it still doesn't work. Oh, because now is the stroke and C extended. So I forgot to do this one. ATC. At first, let's reset it again. Let's go with ETC. Now let's align the tool that I'm gonna use. Now let's put it back again. Enable. Pick it up one more time. Pick it up. Let's fix the tool. The right one is that one. Just magazine repairs. And if everything is good, and I press this one again, it should be. You should go down without dropping the tool. That's good. Okay, now next thing you're gonna do is turn off the palette option. See, it's a program in palette 1, palette 2, and palette 1 and 2. So even if you press, I need to touch the tool, right? So I have to turn off these options, no lights, none of it. So now what I'm gonna do is go to the palette index because I want the probe over here. Okay, I have the probe right there. The sound is gonna be so loud, but this is just to show you if you're working with this brother machine RX this speedio R650X1. That's the model of this machine. So now we're ready to touch off the tool in the Pro. Most of you guys already know this, but if you guys are new on the machining and the machine shop and the CNC machining and all of that, and you're alone and one of the tools breaks and you don't know what to do, you can do this video over and over again, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna figure it out how to do it. Okay, now we have the tools ready, the probe ready, the pallets are off, pallet 1, pallet 2 are off. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go program, press program, because you're gonna run a program, memory, program. Okay, that's good. Now regardless of what you see in the screen, this is the program number, you gotta go to your tools. In this case, and the up 3, I need T1. I'm gonna touch this tool 172 carbide stop drill. So what I'm gonna do is in this program number right here, I'm gonna type the number of the tool. In this case, it's gonna be no. I'm not gonna do T1. It's only 01. Enter. Enter. 01. Enter, and you can see up the program changed to T. This case flooring T1 single tool length offset settings. Okay, now when I press start, even though it's in memory, it's not gonna run the programs for the part I'm doing. It's gonna run the program to touch off the tool. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see. So you can see it clearly. Where is the probe? Right there. Where's the tool? Right there. 1, 2, 3. Good. Done. We just touch off the tool. Now let's go back to run the. I like to return it home. Okay. Go to menu or the hand and return it. So the thingy moves all the way over there. So there's no problem. And then I just go to memory again. I enable again this palette 1, palette 2, palette 1 and 2, and reset it. And even though if I see this program like that, well, now even though I see only this program, the program to run T1 for tool length offset, doesn't matter what I see on the screen. Whatever I have highlighted here is what the machine is gonna run. So right now I went back to memory. And I'm gonna do memory and program. I have ready all of that, and it should go back to run that program. Let's see, this machine is super fast. And we're back running. Well, thank you for watching, and any tips or comments about machining, a different way or faster way to touch up a tool, comment below, subscribe. You can watch more stuff on my channel. I have a lot of bunch of stuff, random stuff, and machining stuff, family stuff. What I do with my kids and all of that, right? Those are some parts that I'm working on today. This should be a lathe work, but lathes are pretty busy, so we're running everything on the mill. What I'm doing in the brothers is just this little part. I don't know what it is, so they call it links. A lot of bunch of operations. Goes from this. To this, and you finish like this. Well, that's everything for today, and hope you like the video. Subscribe, leave a comment below, ring the bell for more. Thank you, and have a good night. And special thanks to my last subscriber.